Hey there! Hope you're all rocking the natural vibes. Today we're excited to talk to you about our shampoo and conditioner bars, your new shower buddies for some eco-friendly and hair-loving fun. These bars are super convenient. Let's get into the amazing ingredients they contain and the best way to use them. Our shampoo bar is pretty much a spa day for your hair. Shea butter for moisture, olive oil for that extra conditioning, and coconut oil for the gentle clean. French green clay detoxes your scalp, while lavender extract and rosemary oil bring the luxurious botanical goodness for your locks. The best part is that it's for all hair types. Using our bars is super simple too. Get that hair wet, rub the bar in, and rinse. If you have thick hair, you might work the bars into your hair in sections to ensure that every strand emerges squeaky clean and tangle-free. You'll notice that these bars will produce a light lather and will leave your hair feeling extra clean and soft. For some extra TLC, follow up with our favorite Morrocco method citrus silk conditioning bar. Named for the aromatic orange peel ingredient, this bar really packs a punch of hydration with jojoba oil and cocoa butter. This silky bar detangles the most unruly hair and adds luster and shine. On the go, taking our shampoo and conditioner bars with you on your travels couldn't be easier. They're TSA approved, great for the whole family, and you'll never need to worry about leaks. You can also use them in conjunction with our lunar hair chart for a little extra hair magic, and add them to your hair cycling rotation to keep your hair routine healthy and build-up free. And did we mention? Both bars are handmade in small batches and plastic-free. Yup, we're all about that eco life. These bars are 100% Mother Earth approved. Here's to happy showers and even happier days. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more educational content and hair care wellness.